Hello guys, welcome back to our Brainy Voyage YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about conditional statements in JavaScript. Okay, for the purpose, I have written this simple HTML page and I have connected my script.js using script.source in the HTML file. Okay, so coming into the script.js file, we are going to perform all these conditional statements by using this example here. So we are going to check whether the user has invalid age to vote or not in India. Okay, for the purpose I am going to take some initial values. Okay, let them be const age equals to, but initially I am going to pass 20 here, and I am going to check whether the user has an valid age or not. So I am going to write an expression here. If the user has an age of greater than or equals to 18, then the user has an valid age. Okay, so by this expression, if the user has an valid age, like if the 20 is greater than or equals to 18, then it will be true in the valid age. So okay, now let's just console log the value we got in the valid age. Okay, console log of valid age, and I'm going to save the file now. Okay, the output here became the true because this expression has been satisfied and gave the true to the valid age variable. Okay, by console logging the valid age, we got the output as true. Okay, now let's just dive into the if condition here. Generally, the syntax for if condition will be like this. Okay, if and the expression goes in between the brackets, and here the block will be executed. So this will be a keyword in JavaScript, and this is going to be the expression that needs to be satisfied to execute this block. Okay, whatever the expression that has been given here, if that's satisfied, then this if block will be executed. Okay, now let's just change the expression to valid age here, valid age, and I'm going to console log the user age, and I'm going to give a message that you are eligible to vote. Okay, by using string literals. Okay, okay, so I'm going to pass a message here. You have a valid age to vote. Your age is, and I'm going to pass the age value here. Okay, age. Okay, so I'm going to save the file and check whether this condition has been satisfied or not. Okay, I'm going to save the file here. Okay, this condition has been satisfied because the user has a valid age, and so I got the message in the console that you have a valid age to vote and your age is 20. Okay, let's just change this to 10 here and save the file. Okay, see here the condition has become false, so this if condition has been not executed. Okay, I think you understand what is meant by if condition here. Okay, now let's just change it back to 20 and uh, comment out the valid age functionality. At first I'm going to copy this and comment out, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to write an else block here. Okay, console.log of you are not allowed to vote for is, and I'm going to pass my age value here. Okay, age. I'm going to save the file, check whether the condition has been satisfied or not. Okay, here the condition has been true, so that this block has been executed. And what if I change my age value to 10 here and save the file? Okay, see, we got a valid age in the console that is false, and this block has been executed. Okay, that I gave the message to the console if this else, sorry, if block has been not true, then else block should be executed. So I have given this in the console that you are not allowed to vote, your age is, and I should print age value to 10. Okay, so this will be the answer in the console that you are not allowed to vote and your age is 10. Okay, this is how we write an if else conditions in JavaScript. Similarly, we will be writing the if else if conditions also. Okay, but we are not going to take this example because if else if condition requires more satisfactory conditions. Okay, for that purpose we are going to take a weekdays here. Okay, so I'm going to take a const day equals to, and I'm going to initialize it with Sunday at first. Okay, and I'm going to start the if else conditions. Okay, if my day is strictly equals to Sunday, then I should console log that today by using string literals. Today is, I'm going to pass my day value here by using this. Okay, const day equals to this one. Okay, now also write a else if conditions also at the first day first itself. Okay, else if, and I'm going to pass if my day is equals to Monday. Okay, and let's just pass the same message here, and I'm going to write another else if condition also. If my day is equals to Tuesday, console dot log of today is the rate of day. Okay, and I'm going to pass my default value by using the else condition here. If the above dates were not satisfied, I'm going to pass day is not verified or valid. Okay, anything will be. Okay, so I'm going to save the file here now. Okay, at first I have given my day to the Sunday, so this if block has been executed here, and I got the value as today is Sunday, right? So what if I change this to Monday here? Okay, and I'm going to save the file, and I got the value as today is Monday. What if not all these three here? Okay, that will be something else. Okay, um, let it be Saturday itself. Okay, and I'm going to save the file, and day is not verified because I have not given these values here. Okay, Saturday value in the else if condition or in if condition, so all these values were not being executed, so automatically my conditions will be satisfied in else condition. So I got the console.login message has that day is not verified. Okay, this is how we write the if else if conditions. Why we are using if else if conditions? Why not directly the if conditions? That's a very good, nice, interesting question. Let's just change it back to if condition here. Okay, all to if condition, if condition, if condition, and save the file here. Okay, and let it be this value also. Let's change it back to Sunday itself. Okay, and save the file, and here also let's just change it back to Sunday itself. Okay, and save the file. See here, all these values has been executed, like all these conditions were been checked in here. Okay, so here if condition has been satisfied, and it didn't stop there because I have another if condition, this will be considered as an another statement here. Okay, so that this condition will also be checked. Okay, today is day Sunday, and that will be an for more clarification, I'm going to pass 1 here, and I'm going to pass 2 here, and I'm going to pass this one as the 3 for clarity purpose itself. And today is not verified, this will be the fourth message. Okay, now let's just save the file and check it again. Okay, so here I have taken this value. Okay, const day equals to Sunday, and this value has been satisfied, so I got this message in the console. Okay, see here, today is Sunday, and this block also executed because this if condition also satisfied here. Okay, so I got console.log today is Sunday, and it is an second statement. Okay, and here this condition is not satisfied because the day we have given is Sunday, and here it is Tuesday. So this block is not executed, and automatically whatever the block this has been not executed, it will be else condition here. So this block has been executed here. Let's check here. Today is not verified, and this is the condition. Okay, basically, and if you can think that else if I write else if also, it might be executed. No, it will not be executed. Let's just check it. Okay, else and I'm going to save the file here. See, let's just see here. If the if block is satisfied, else if block will not be checked here. This will reduce the time complexity of running the program. This is how we should think logically and use the specific conditions that are required here. Okay, so let's just comment this out and write the switch conditions also. Okay, switch conditions are better and easy way to write than this if else conditions. Okay, let's just check working of this, and we are going to pass the same functionality here. It will be like an if condition itself. So I'm going to pass day here, and I'm going to start my function here. So whatever the conditions that are going to be checked here will be in the form of case here. Okay, if my case is equals to Sunday, okay, then this block should be executed, and I should get an console dot log message that today today is Sunday, and I am going to break the condition here. I will explain you the advantage of using the break condition, but let's just make an clarity that why we are using the break conditions here. Okay, console dot today is, and I'm going to break the condition that satisfies. Okay, and let's just write one more case here, and if it is Tuesday, I'm going to pass console dot log day is Tuesday, and I'm going to break the condition here. I'm going to pass the default value also. Okay, default console.log day verified. Okay, and I'm going to save the file here, and the initially I gave the value as const equals to Sunday, right? So I got the message in the console that today is Sunday. Okay, because here I have passed it in the switch condition that here the value of Sunday will be passed to here. Okay, so the condition checks whether the case day equals to Sunday or not. Okay, if the day is Sunday, this block will be executed, and this block will stop here. Okay, what if we haven't written these break conditions? I'm going to save the file. See here, I got the, like, it will be a continuous case, like we have written the if condition, right? That will be the same case for, like, if it is Monday or Tuesday or whatever day it will be, all the days will be checked, right? At that case, um, these all comes under the one particular thing, so it will automatically take all those things are verified, and it gives the all things in the console. So we should definitely add the break conditions after the each condition. Okay, and let's just save the file and check it. Okay, today is Sunday. Let's just give an random value. Okay, let it be day itself, and this will not be verified in these three, right? So it gave me the output as day is not verified. Okay, this is how we write if conditions, if else condition, if else if condition, and a switch case in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.